Hello everyone and welcome to beingDev. In this video I'm not trying to teach you something. I'll be going through some tricks or some things that might confuse you while using RegExp. I assume that you either have gone through all my previous tutorials or you have sufficient knowledge of RegExp to go through these tricks and some of the practice examples that I want you to do. So let's begin. Use hyphen carefully. So hyphen can be used in multiple ways for multiple purposes. For example, here are some of the ways in which hyphen can be used. So in this case, in the first case, we are saying match 1 to 9. So hyphen will not be matched. In the second case, we are matching hyphen 1 or 9. So all of these three will match. And in the third case, we are saying hyphen. So this will match literal hyphen, and the second case as well will match literal hyphen. So in the first case you get null, and in the second, third case you get the match. So let's move on to the next one, that is Dotstar. So dot means anything, any character. So let's see example of Dotstar. In this case, Dotstar means 0 or more presence of any character, and dot plus means 1 or more presence of any character. So both of these will return true. But let's say I'm saying S and O, there should be 0 or more characters between S and O, and similarly here there should be 1 or more characters between S and O. So in this case it will pass because there is 0 character between them, and in this case it will fail because it needs at least 1 character, so it returns null. And next one is question mark. Question mark is used for a number of different purposes. Let's see all of them. So here in first case we are saying or, that means 0 is present or not. So even if it is present or not present, this will match. In the second case we are saying minus plus, that is 1 or more instances of hyphen. And in the third case we are saying the same thing, but we are using question mark for making it non-greedy. So here we are using it for or, here for non-greedy, and then we are using it for assertion. So we are saying A should be followed by hyphen, and then we are saying A should not be followed by hyphen, and then we are using it for non-capturing groups. So you can see the results over here. We get an empty match, we get all the hyphens, and after making it non-greedy we get the first hyphen, and then for this we get A because A is followed by hyphen in the first case, and in the second case we are saying A should not be followed by hyphen, that's why we are getting null. And in the last case, as the second one is non-capturing group, so we are not getting the second group over here, so we are getting the first capturing group only. And then let's move on to the caret symbol. So caret symbol is used for two purposes. First is defining the starting boundary of the string or new line, and second for negation. Here are the examples. Okay, so we are saying the string should start with a hyphen, so that is not the case, that is why first one will return null. And in the second case we are saying match globally everything except A, so that is what we get in the second case, and in the first case we are getting null, and if I remove R we'll get a match in the first case as well. And then here are two ways in which you can define regular expression. So you can just type it like this, or you can create a new regular expression using the new keyword. So in this case you can accept a string from user and pass it over here to create a user defined regular expression, but in this case you'll have to hard code it. Let's see some practice problems that I want you to do. So I want you to visit this site. So when you'll visit this site, you'll see this default string over there. So just remove the expression and then add flags according to your needs. So the examples that I want you to write regular expression for is, I want you to match these and these using one regular expression. So create a regular expression over here that will match both of these. I want you to match URLs over here. So all these URLs should match with one regular expression. And then I want you to match this string. So match this string without using any hard-coded alphabet. Then match UK. So if you see UK is present 2 times over here, so I want you to match this one that is present at the end of the line. I'll add the solution to these problems in the descriptions, but I strongly recommend you guys to try and find the solutions by yourself. That will really be a new learning for you guys. This is all I have for you guys right now. And with this, I'm done with the regular expression training videos. And please like or comment whatever you feel like after attending this training.